Hello. Good afternoon.
We can't hear you. We cannot hear you.
Oh, okay.
Now it's better? Okay. So, namaste and good evening, everyone.
Hello.
Yes, so Alba, our teacher, is here. And we have, yes, Jamila, nice to meet your daughter. Say hello.
Is there a lot of noise from my side? Can you hear me?
Yes, because I think there is an echo from my
हे सर आहेत ना स्वर्ण पॅटर्न वाले.
Yes. So we have so many beautiful kids here. You're seeing? Okay.
Yeah, I'm so glad. Okay, but first I need to know your name. Okay. First, I'll introduce myself. My name is Alba. A-L-B-A. Okay. So now I would like to know your names as well. Okay.
Yes,
so can you
and
please unmute?
everyone should keep their video mode on so that we are able to see. Sparsh, can you put on your video mode?
आहे व्हिडिओ तू दिसते बघा.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
Wonderful.
No, great.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So we start with introductions, and I know your name.
बघ इथे मॅट.
Okay, we start on the right side. So I know. Okay, how can we do this? Okay, what is the name of the girl wearing a green T-shirt? Wearing a nice green T-shirt with one dot.
Yes.
Okay,
Ayukta. It's written Ayukta.
Ayukta. Okay. Okay.
हो.
Ayukta. Okay. What's the name of the girl wearing a white T-shirt with blue pants?
अन्वी.
Anvi. Okay. Hi, Anvi.
We have an Anvi here also.
Yes, there are two Anvis.
तू अन्वी त्यांची पण छोटी आहे ना अन्वी.
Hey, hi.
Okay. What's the name of the boy wearing a red T-shirt? Come in front. What is your name?
माझी मोठे.
My name is Satvik.
Anvi, yes, right.
Advik. Okay. Okay. What is the name of the boy wearing a white and blue T-shirt?
Spurs.
Can you repeat?
S-P-A-R-S-S.
I couldn't get it.
SPARSS, Sparsh, which means touch. Yeah, Sparsh.
Oh, okay, nice. And what's the name of the girl wearing a black T-shirt? I cannot hear you. Your voice is
R-E-T-A.
breaking.
Rita. Rita.
Rita, okay. And the ones that I know already, two girls in the same frame. Can you introduce yourself?
अगं
You have to come closer. I think they cannot hear you. Come closer.
I can't come to each other.
अन्वी तू इकडे लक्ष दे.
Anvi and come on
Whom you are asking?
to you.
Okay, myself. She is Anvi and Vaidehi.
Well, very good. Okay. So before starting the class, we are going to chant Gayatri Mantra. So who all know Gayatri Mantra? Okay, can you please raise your hands if you know Gayatri Mantra?
गायत्री मंत्र येतो ना.
Okay, okay. So we are going to do one
Say
thing.
properly.
Now, while starting, I'm going to sing it and you repeat it. Okay, and at the end, you will sing it and I will repeat it. Okay? So let's sit down with the back straight. Okay, back straight, legs crossed.
असं नाही स्ट्रेट. हा.
Yes? Come on, sit down, all of you. Yeah. Back straight, relax your shoulders and close your eyes.
क्लोज युअर आईज.
Close your eyes. Relax yourself. Breathe in.
असं बसलंय ते पद्मासनात.
Okay. Repeat after me. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsavitur
त्यांचं झाल्यावर म्हणायचं.
Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yojona Prachodayat. Okay, put the hands in Namaste in front of your chest and now grab them to generate heat, to create heat, hot, and place them on the eyes. Okay, with the eyes closed. Now slowly open your eyes and let's place our hands on the knees again. Okay?
Place
I'm
your
going to
hand
share-
on the knees.
Yes, I'm going to share my screen with one PPT. Okay, I'm going to tell you a story and then later on we're going to play games. We're going to do many activities. Okay?
तू
So
दिसतीये ना?
please let me know if you can see the PPT. Wait,
Let's see the screen.
Yes?
दिसतंय?
Okay.
Yes.
That was the wrong slide. Yes, now. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a story and at the same time, I'm going to keep telling you some activities to do. Okay? So you let me know if you didn't understand some point and I'll repeat
Yes.
it.
Okay.
So this is the story of the tortoise and the rabbit.
Yes.
What we are going to need is one pencil, one eraser, one sharpener, and one paper or notebook. So you have, if you don't have them there, you can go get them and come in a. Yes, Anvi, are you saying something, Anvi? No?
We need
हाँ. We need pencil.
one
Yes,
pencil.
there is one pencil, one eraser, sharpener, and one paper. Yeah?
आपली हे ना ड्रॉइंगची शेवटच्या पेजवर काढ वाटतं जुनी. हा ते एक पेपर किंवा नोटबुक म्हणलंय ना, मग ड्रॉइंगची घेऊन ये.
Dot.
Yes, got it? Okay,
Yes.
so we'll
One
wait for
minute.
some more time because I see some students that they haven't joined yet. So we'll wait for 30 seconds and we start.
अन्वी ये लवकर.
Okay, for those who join late, please you can switch on your camera so then I can interact better with you. Okay,
नाही ना तशा तरी 100 आणली असते.
दार लाव, दार लाव. दार
can we ready? Yeah. Okay, so we start. So there was this beautiful forest, as you can see in the screen. It was all green, full of flowers, full of fruits, lots of animals, and very beautiful. Okay, this name of the forest was always green because it was always green. Then there was an event. Okay, there is a little bit of noise. Yeah. Okay, so this is a very and we please continue your screen. Okay, fine. Okay, so there was this very important event. Can you hear me properly?
No, we can't hear you.
It is echoing.
Now?
I think someone.
Can I request that everyone be patient? So then I can see that there is issue with my screen. Okay. So there was this big event happening once in a year. It was a big race of the mountain. There is a lot of problem.
We can't hear you properly.
Okay. I'm going to get my. Let's see if there is a problem. Okay, is it better?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So with the earphones. So there was a huge event which used to happen only once a year. That was a race. You can see here the beginning of the race and at the end of the race. Okay, it was like the heat of the forest. So there were many animals that the birds, all the animals of the forest say the most exciting event of the year is here. Run, run. It's for everyone. So now we are going to see who joined this race. Yeah. So here there are our brave runners. We have Jerry the giraffe. We have Flo the elephant. We have Jumpy the rabbit and Teeny the tortoise. Let's try to remember their names because they're going to come in the story many times. Okay. So Jerry the giraffe, Flo the elephant, Jumpy the rabbit and Teeny the tortoise. Then now, before the race, what do we have to do? Do we start running like that or do we do something else?
No.
What do we do?
Warm up.
Warm up. Yes, we are going to stretch. So for that, we are going to stretch like them. So I want you to stand up. Let's stand up. Okay, so first we are going to stretch up like the giraffe. So what we are going to do is, we are going to make our neck very long. So raise your hands up. Yes, stretch up, 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 up. So now we have a long neck. Okay, this is the neck. And you're going to turn towards the right. Right. Stretch the side, stretch the neck.
Press the neck. Straight
Inhale
करते
up, center.
कधी हे करायचं हे कंबर नाही फक्त नेक ते कशा आहेत बघ.
Inhale towards the left side. And look up to the ceiling. Stretch yourself. Show me how you're stretching. Let's do this again, like the giraffe. So first the neck, tall neck, and towards the right side. Center and left side. Very nice. So this is how Jerry the giraffe stretches. Now we're going to see how the elephant floor stretches. Okay. So the elephant has very wide legs. So open your legs. Open your legs wide. Yes. Very good. And now we are going to interlace our hands on the back. That's the trunk of the elephant. Okay. Can you hear me? Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So now with the inner exhalation, we are going to go down and we are going to bring our trunk up. Yeah? Our trunk is up. Let's swing a little bit. Back, front. Like an elephant moving the trunk. Inhale up. And relax. Okay, the elephant is feeling good. Now we are going to see how the rabbit, Jumpy the rabbit, is stretching. So the rabbit has very strong legs. Okay, so we are going to move the legs to make them stronger. So first, we are going to move side to side. I don't know if you can see me. Okay. So one leg folded and one stretch. And then the other side. Okay? Come on. Few times more. Everyone, let's think that we are a rabbit and we are stretching for the race. Now we're going to go a little bit deeper. Yeah, because this is a very good rabbit. So hands in front of the chest. Come on, hands in front of the chest. And you're going to go down, more down, and up, down, on the left side, and up, down, on the right side, and up. Okay, that's enough. You can relax. And now who is standing? Who hasn't stretched yet? Who hasn't stretched? Jerry has stretched. Flo has stretched.
Tortoise.
The tortoise. Okay.
Tini the tortoise.
Yes. So look at me how Tini is doing, okay? And you have to tell me what is she doing? What is she doing?
What is she doing?
What was she doing?
We can't see you fully.
Okay, wait. I'll move the camera. Yeah. What is the tortoise doing?
Meditation.
Meditation, yes. So tortoise is meditation. What is she doing? Meditation, right. So what she's doing is before the race, she's getting ready. She's closing her eyes and she's visualizing in her mind how the route is going to be. Okay? Okay, let's see what happens. Everyone in the position, the race starts.
Anna,
Ma'am, I was joining 1 minute.
don't leave.
Okay. Okay, so now all the runners have started running, okay? And then they are thinking. So the rabbit is thinking, I am the fastest. My legs are strong and I am always the winner. I'm sure I'm going to win this race too. Yeah, he's very confident. And then what is Tini the tortoise thinking? She's thinking, it doesn't matter if I win or I lose. I will be giving my 100% of focus, concentration and effort. I will give my best. Okay? So here we see them, they are running, and suddenly the rabbit thinks, I'm so ahead that I have time to stop and eat some delicious carrots in this beautiful restaurant on the side of the road. Yes, so he's so ahead and the tortoise is so behind that he thinks, I'll stop, it's not a problem. But meanwhile, the tortoise the tortoise is running. And can we all stand up and let's see how the tortoise is running? Stand up 1 second. So first we have the tortoise. So the tortoise is running slowly, right? So slowly. We are going to kick the hands with the knees. Slowly. And how is the rabbit running? Very fast, right? So we are going to put the hands on the back and the heel in the hand, okay? But very fast. Yes. Okay, very good. Come up, sit there, sit down. Now we have the tortoise running, slowly but running. And then what happened in the restaurant? Can you see on the floor what is there?
Yes.
What is there?
Rabbit is sleeping.
Food.
Okay, the rabbit is sleepy, but what is on the floor?
Rabbit
floor?
is sleeping.
Food.
Food. So what has he done? Can you identify the food? Which food?
Ate food.
The rest.
Which
Carrot. Banana. Green apple.
banana?
Apple.
Apple?
Carrot.
Pizza? And what is this
Watermelon.
one? Watermelon. Yes. Very good. So he went to the restaurant. He ate those delicious food, And now what happened? He's so full, he's so tired, so he sleeps. He thinks like 10 minutes only, it's okay. But then, meanwhile he's sleeping, something happens. What happened? What is this noise? Anvi, what is this noise?
असं कोण आहे तुला माहितीये का?
Clapping.
Yes, they are clapping, okay? And why are they clapping? What has happened?
Because someone has win.
Someone has win. Okay, wait, I cannot hear you. Advik, repeat. Can you repeat? Okay, so you think okay, let's see what happens. Yes, you are right. The tortoise is on the side. And then can you see on the side? Can you see on the left, on the right side? What is the rabbit doing?
I can't see the screen.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
You cannot see the screen.
Yeah, I know.
Ma'am, you cannot see. You cannot see the screen at all.
Yes.
So then maybe you can leave the conversation and join back again, because I think everyone else is able to join. To see the screen.
Tortoise won.
The tortoise won. Very good.
Actually, there is an option. Alba, there is an option. Alba,
Yes?
there might be an option when they tap the screen. No, there will be a message there. They can click on that message. They'll get to see the screen. Just ask them to click on the screen on your screen, and then click it again, and then there will be screen. Show the screen. Start
Okay.
sharing the screen like that up. Just below the recording button is there. No, just below it will be appearing. So who is not able to see, they can just try doing this.
Okay, so if you cannot see the screen, please just tap as Mom said. Can you see it now? Can you see the screen? The PPT?
Yeah. Now she's able.
Yeah, great.
Yes.
Now I
Perfect.
can see.
Okay, perfect. So what do we learn from this? Why tortoise won if the rabbit was the fastest? Why the rabbit didn't win?
David was overconfident.
Because overconfidence.
Because
He was he was
from the restaurant.
overconfident, one. Then what else?
He was overconfident.
Yes, he was overconfident. And can anyone tell me some positive things that the turtle was doing?
Kept running.
Your voice is not clear.
He was
Yeah.
continuously
So,
trying to run.
continuously working hard.
wow, yes, very good. So we have got two good things. The tortoise was working very hard continuously, and the rabbit was
Overconfident.
Okay. Anyone else want to share? No?
The tortoise was focused.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of terminology of nouns, names of yoga. Okay. So, see, the rabbit, what happened is that he was very distracted. He's all the time thinking like, oh, I am the fastest, so I don't need to be focused all the time. There is a restaurant there, so I can stop by. Or I'm sure I'll meet someone on the way. I'll meet my friends. I'll eat a carrot. So he's not focused. But in the other hand, Tini the tortoise is full concentrated. He's thinking, I want to finish this race, and it's really paying attention to it. Okay. Then what happened? The rabbit overate, and imagine that you eat a lot. It's very hot. What happened later on? Do you feel like doing exercise after eating?
No.
No. This is what happened to him. He had so much of pizza, he fell asleep. And then he had the wrong understanding, meaning that he thought that he was the best. So that is also a false idea. Then we have the tortoise, who was very consistent, as you guys said very nicely. She had a lot of patience, and she knew that she wanted to win the race. Okay, so that is what we learn from the story. That whenever we do anything, we have to be 100% on it. Put our full energy and focus on it. Okay.
Yes.
Now we're going to do some games to practice this focused mind. So we are going to be tortoise today. First thing, everyone please stand up. Okay. Open a little bit the camera so you can see. Now, what we are going to do is, we are going to walk backwards. But we are going to put one feet after another one. Let me bring it down so you can see how I walk. Okay. So you see that? First look and then do, okay? Once
First
the
look.
toes will touch the heel. And like that, I'm going to walk. But I'm going to touch feet with feet. Okay? The toes and the heel. Toes and heel. Toes and heel. But I'm going to close my eyes with my hands. So then that is more difficult. So, come on everyone, join me.
Heel. Toes, heel.
Stand
Right.
up. Cover your eyes. Now focus and
Toes,
start
heel.
walking back.
हाँ. Toe, heel. Heel touch करायची ना. Touch कर खाली heel. Toes, heel. हाँ, असं.
Try walking back till you reach to the wall. And if you have come back, if the wall was very close, you can go back again. Okay, so we are putting one feet after the other feet. They have to touch.
तेवढे मोठे नको पाय ठेवू.
Okay, very good, very good. You need to be focused and try not to fall. Okay, very nice. I see many students doing very well.
जा मागे. आईज बंद. ये पुढे आता. Straight पुढे.
And we have to touch the toes with the heel. Okay? See my feet. Look at my feet. Okay? It's one feet and then the other one.
अच्छा, एकाला एक. हाँ, okay. Say okay.
Yeah? Okay. Come on, try now.
Try now. Yes, very good. Correct.
Very
correct.
nice, very nice.
हाँ, go. हाँ.
Wait,
Correct.
it's not so easy like it seems, huh? You have to be very focused for this.
Yes. Correct. आता straight चालली आहे तू.
Okay, very nice, very nice.
Yes, Alba, sorry to interrupt. We
Yeah.
have to rejoin again. So a small
Oh, yeah.
to everyone, you just join in again in a minute. We're just discontinuing this and we are just joining in 1 minute.
Okay.
ते